Kevin here. So I've been having some problems with some birds building nests under my awning. Um, yeah, getting kind of tired of that, so I decided to do something about it. I looked everywhere for something like this. I looked in all the home improvement stores, Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, you name it. I even looked online. I couldn't find anything that I could go ahead and just install myself. So I decided to make my own. Yes, first thing, you got to clear out any debris, any bird's nests and whatever. Um, what I found to use is actually, I found it at Lowe's. They call it a vinyl ledger board, but I've seen it described as a drip edge flashing, whatever. I'm including the part number and the SKU at the end of this video, so you can look it up. Uh, so what I have to do here is trim off the little drip edge, just so I have a flat piece of vinyl to work with. And toss out the edge, don't need it. And here we go. Next up, you want to measure your spacing for the template you're going to make. Right here, I'm right on 6-inch centers. That easy round number makes it easy. And what you want to do then is create a template, which will then transfer to the flat piece of vinyl. So here we just want to mark off every 6 inches. Your measurements may vary. And now I'm going to transfer the pattern that I made. This doesn't have to be perfect, just close enough. Again, evenly spaced every 6 inches. Notice I'm going in between the marks I made previously. That's just because of the way I needed to line it up. Again, your results may vary. And go ahead and take a nice sharp razor blade or utility knife, preferably, being extremely cautious. Go ahead and cut along the lines. And this stuff is super easy to work with. Just a couple passes of the utility knife, and it breaks right off. Couldn't be easier. You also notice there are holes pre-drilled in this material. Very handy for fastening it to the gutter, you'll see later. and you want to make sure you do a test fitting before you start screwing the thing in, because you may have to make some adjustments here and there. And you want to go ahead and screw it in with I used self-piercing gutter screws that are actually painted white to match the vinyl. So that's it, we're done.